Hello and welcome to EBAday 2023 in Madrid. I'm Hannah Wallace, and with me now, stepping away from the busy exhibition floor, is Fabio Distaso and José Ignacio Nuñez from NTT DATA. Hello to the both of you. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak with me.
Hello, good morning, Hannah.
Thank you.
Really good to have you on, and thank you for stepping away from an exciting EBAday, which I know you'll be busy talking about some of the biggest trends at, which is really where I want to start. Fabio, can you tell us what are those big trends that you're seeing today? Let's start there.
Yeah, of course. Look, I would like to divide trends related to the market and trends related to the technology. Talking about the market, the interest rate is sure that we have now rising interest rate coming from a period of a low interest rate. On the other side, we have technological innovation that are related to generative AI, then the metaverse, finally the core banking cloud. I mean, are three of various, actually a lot of different innovation that are changing the market. I mean, talking more in detail about metaverse, we finished a hype of metaverse, and now we have time to develop new use cases. Actually, we open a new touch point. Is critical, this innovation. On the other side, generative AI, all the work we have done along the past few years related to conversational banking, we had to rebuild the interaction. And finally, core banking cloud. We see big bank like Intesa San Paolo that is moving to a core banking cloud. Okay, those are high-level trends that I would like to highlight.
Yes, and they'll be at the heart of a lot of discussions over the course of EBAday. And Jose, is there anything you'd like to add to that as well from the payment side?
Well, all these trends bring us a lot of ideas every day. So inside NTT DATA, we have a payments practice, a big payments practice. We have a big observatory that every day we try to hear the market, hear the society, to know, oh, maybe what can we do to bring some products and some services around payments. Sure. So all these trends provoke us every day to create new services and products. That's our main and core business.
And that's where I really want to go next. How is that impacting your product strategy at NTT DATA then?
Yeah, well, as Fabio says, the market is actually inside a big hurricane or revolution around payments. I think that everybody now is talking and seeing about cross-border payments, instant payments, but I suppose that maybe in a few months or maybe in 1-2 years, we will see a great and a big fight try to retain and capture new customers, and try to loyalty these customers. We think that will be the big fight in the future. So actually we are working to create new products around loyalty, a new loyalty platform for merchants and entity services. Yeah.
All right, that's interesting to hear what's front of mind for NTT DATA going forward then. So I'm interested to hear next, what are you working on right now in terms of assets related to the payments ecosystem?
Yeah. Look, we have I mean, if we think about the market, 25% of revenue by 2025 for Gartner will be related to asset-based consulting. Sure. So, is focal for us to invest over the asset. We have right now like 40 assets prioritized in at entity data level. So we have assets related to the metaverse, we have assets related to the conversational banking, we have assets also, we develop also assets related to the core banking cloud. We started developing like 3 years ago this kind of asset. But this is the vision that we need to have as a company, okay? Sure. And also we like to say that we create a symphony. The symphony means using and playing with different assets to generate value to the clients. Yeah. You know? Also, there are some assets that are related to the payment ecosystem. Okay. Now, For instance, there is an asset that is EBAday region that is related to payment ecosystem. Now, actually, José Ignacio, is the leader of this asset.
Yeah. We have a main product called EBAday. It's a payments platform, and we are building around this platform many features. Try to expand this platform, offering new services and products. Think that our main customers are banks, usually are banks, not the retail and the final consumer. So we are trying to create new products and services for banks, and for these banks servicing new features for their customers. So it's a little bit B2B2C that we need to create every day new products, and all this is always around our main products called EBAday, our main platform of payments.
And it's the customer really that really benefits at the end of this. And I love the idea of the symphony as well. So thank you for that, Fabio. Well, gentlemen, thank you so much for sharing your insights. Really interesting to hear what NTT Data is doing in this space. But I'll let you get back out there to the event. But thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.